Introduction. Host. Hey there, content creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you level up your creative game. In today's video, we're diving into the world of tech tools and exploring the most useful ones that can supercharge your content creation process. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or social media influencer, these tools are a game changer. Let's get started. Host. First up, let's talk about video editing tools. We'll introduce you to powerful software that offers a wide range of features, from basic editing to advanced effects and transitions. We'll also explore tools that streamline your editing workflow, making it easier to cut, trim, and enhance your videos. Get ready to take your editing skills to the next level. Host. As content creators, eye-catching visuals are essential. We'll showcase graphic design tools that allow you to create stunning thumbnails, channel art, and social media graphics. From beginner-friendly options to professional-grade software, we've got you covered. Unleash your creativity and make your content visually captivating. Host. Great audio quality can make or break your content. We'll introduce you to tools that enhance your audio recordings, reduce background noise, and improve overall sound quality. Whether you're a podcaster or a YouTuber, these tools will help you deliver crystal-clear audio to captivate your audience. Host. Staying organized and planning your content is crucial for consistent output. We'll explore tools that assist you in brainstorming ideas, creating content calendars, and managing your projects efficiently. Say goodbye to scattered notes and hello to streamlined content creation. Host. Understanding your audience and optimizing your content for maximum reach is essential. We'll introduce you to analytics and SEO tools that provide valuable insights into your viewership, keyword research, and competition analysis. Unlock the power of data to grow your audience and improve your content strategy. Host. Collaboration is key in the world of content creation. We'll showcase tools that facilitate seamless collaboration with team members,